Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg, and I'm here to talk a little bit about Amazon and my Amazon truck build. If you're like me, or like anybody in America for that matter, you buy a lot of stuff on Amazon because it's quick, easy, instant gratification of buying something, you name it. So let me show you a couple of the things I have here first, and then I'll go into some of the other projects. Man, this doesn't want to open on me. Some of the other projects and items that I have from Amazon that have made the Big Blue what he was, and also the ZR2. This is for a big reveal later on down the road. You guys have been following, you've seen the Switch Pro videos. I'm not completely happy with the wiring job under the hood. Yeah, it's clean, so to speak, but I want to make this flawless and as clean as possible. So I got a new bus bar that's going to be replacing the current bus bar. I got a negative or battery terminal cable that is going to be a lot cleaner than what I have run just wire. And I have some heat shrink cable sleeves, a lot neater than those blue sleeves that I used before. All of these everything that I mentioned today will be in the description below. I'll mention that probably multiple times throughout the video, but you guys can find these all for your build as well. One of my favorite tools in all of my videos for wiring is my Jonard crimper tool. So it allows me to strip cables, cut cables, crimp wires, you name it. This tool just makes everything quick and easy, and it's adjustable on the spot. You don't have to worry about twisting things around or doing anything that's overly difficult. It adapts to whatever wire size, whatever gauge wire you are using right there on the spot. My SKIL screwdriver, electric screwdriver. I don't have the attachments in here. They're all in the toolbox, but you get the point. Makes every job a million times easier. My Milwaukee, can't go wrong with getting your Milwaukee socket. Makes everything so much faster. And this headlamp is actually super bright, super easy to use. And there's also a setting here where I can wave it on and off. I think it's turned on and off. Yeah, it is. Hard to see in the daytime. Awesome whenever you're under the hood or underneath the truck. Again, a must-have. Believe it or not, one of my most popular videos that you guys liked is whenever I reprogrammed the wheels and tires to Big Blue whenever I threw on that setup. I'll show you how this is used actually right now. All right, so I'm gonna just turn on the vehicle. No key found, it gotta be in the vehicle. You're going to scroll over to your tire pressure monitoring settings right here. Next, you're going to hit the reset button and hold it in on the steering wheel. It's going to beep twice and say tire learning active. Then we're going to just click the button and put it next to the stem. We're in the tire. It'll beep once there it is. Once it catches, it'll beep. That's your confirmation. Might have to press the button more than once, but it is relatively quick and easy. And now you'll get 3 beeps. Once confirming that this one is done, and then twice confirming the whole job is done. And all that did, this is a reprogramming tool for your tire pressure monitoring system. Super easy. I think it's like $10 on Amazon, but all it did is told my truck which tire is where and reprogrammed it to the truck. So even if I swapped out a tire, just quick little reprogram right next to the stem after you do the relearn, and it'll tell the truck exactly where that tire is located. Rotate your tires, redo this. Quick, easy tool. Must have. What's up, guys? If you guys want your product or maybe your sticker featured on the Blue Garage, hit me up, let me know. Not only will I put your sticker on the toolbox, but I'll feature your product in one of my videos installing on the truck. So here goes nothing. Make sure you guys shout out. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe. The channel is growing fast. We're almost to 4,000. Probably by the end of the week, we'll be there. This one's for ZR2 Full. ZR2 Bison. Can't wait to get out there with you. Ocotillo, or hey, I'll go out to California. Further out in California. I know Ocotillo's in California, but this is 880. I entered to win one of their cars. Obviously, yeah, that didn't happen. We can dream. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this channel with your friends. Send me some stickers. I'll throw them on here. Get to see your stuff on YouTube. Let's go. Coming back to the table here, we have this BYNIIUR, I believe that's how you pronounce it, interior toolkit. All your pry tools, your picks, you name it, everything's in here that you need for interior tools. You guys have seen me use this probably countless times on both Big Blue and ZR2. And then in here, we have a bunch of wrap tools. So you got your squeegees, different types. You have different types of blades to cut your wrap. More blades, replacement blades, you name it. So everything you need to do interior trim, wrap, exterior wrap even for that matter. I wrap my whole interior in Big Blue, if you guys remember that. If not, check out those videos. I didn't make a video of me wrapping it, but you got to see the finished carbon fiber look where I got rid of the chrome trim around the vents. On the rear of the truck, I have the TACTILIAN American flag, black American flag license plate frame. And then down below, I have the stainless steel eVerHITCH, the black American flag hitch guard. And locking that in, I have the hitch block that is from eVerHITCH as well. Under the hood, we have the J&L oil separator. That catch can is huge. You guys have seen me clean out the truck multiple occasions, and it's always filled with nastiness. So that's a must-have. Keep your engine clean, no brainer, and you can get it on Amazon. On the hood, I have the matte black 6.2 liter Emblems. They also carry the glossy black Emblems as well. And then I have the Tekk shorty antenna. This one is shorter than what I had on Big Blue. I believe I had a 6-inch antenna. This is a 4.8 inch, so a little shorter. It's all preference. I've seen other people with different styles, but this serves its purpose for sure. On the back, I have the bed caps. The bed caps are they make hard plastic and they make a silicone version. Right now I have the silicone version. Second set that I bought for this truck because the first set were stolen. They really wanted them that bad. I guess if they wanted them that bad, they could have them. Nice easy plug, cleans up your bed rails and fills that in. Going into the center console, I have the full tray. So this tray is twice the size of the one from Chevy themselves. So it covers the whole top, and the one from Chevy fits on top of that. So you have a lot more storage, a lot more organization underneath. And I partnered up in one of my videos with PCB Tekk. They have the bracket or the mount for the wireless charging. Basically solves the issue in these trucks, in the 22 and newer trucks, where the phones don't stay connected to the wireless charger. A must-have, road trips, you name it, or anytime you get in the vehicle, you throw your phone in the charger, you expect it to charge. Again, this solves the problem. You can get that on Amazon. The full-length videos that we did was we put in the black mirror lenses. LED, awesome. I know a lot of you questioned, like, hey, since it's black, can you even tell? Does it ruin the quality of light from there? And I will say no, it does not. It's actually a very bright bulb, and there's 4 LEDs that run horizontally across each lens. Very great quality light, not too difficult of an install, or if you're like me, you have trouble on one side and the other side goes a million times easier, or hopefully you can follow my video, make your job that much easier. And then you guys saw me using my soldering kit in my rewiring of both my pod holes, or actually all of my Bajadesign lighting, my pod holes, my S2 squadrons on top of my bed, and my ditch lights. Got to have a soldering kit. Improves the connection of all of your wiring and prevents it from coming undone. It's a wrap, guys. Another video done. Daniel and I came back to where we shot our first video together on October 5th of 2024. So we're cruising right along, guys. A lot's happening to the ZR2 and to the Blue Garage. Pretty excited to share this all with you guys. Launching a new logo here soon. Launching some merch here soon, which will include hats, shirts, hoodies. So super excited. But for now, guys, make sure you guys get in the links below. If you saw anything during today's video, make sure you click that link. Get it here from Amazon. Doesn't get any better than that. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.